Peace. Welcome back to Trade Season. Today, we're going to be dealing with how to buy an NFT. How do I cop it? Everybody's talking about NFTs, this, metaverse, that. You probably heard about Bored Apes and CryptoPunks and all these things selling for obscene amounts of money. You kind of want in the game. You want to see what it's about. You want to dip your toes in the water. So we're just going to walk through step by step a little bit how to get an NFT. Now, when most people are talking about NFTs, they're usually referring to Ethereum-based NFTs. Ethereum is a blockchain, sort of like Bitcoin, but very different. And there are other blockchains and other NFTs based on other blockchains. But today we're going to just deal with Ethereum because usually when people are talking about NFTs, they're referring to Ethereum-based ones. Now, since we're going to go buy Ethereum-based NFTs, what do we need? We need Ethereum. So two things we're going to need to start. We're going to need an on-ramp, off-ramp, sort of like Gemini or Coinbase. Today, for ease of use, we're going to use Coinbase. And we're also going to need a wallet like MetaMask. An alternative is also Coinbase wallet. But today we're just going to use Coinbase for the on-ramp, and we're going to use MetaMask, and we're going to purchase an NFT from OpenSea.io. All right, so let's get started. We're going to open up Coinbase. All right, now I already have some Ethereum loaded here. If you see, this is the current price of Ethereum, down a bit from 24-hour highs, down from 1-month highs, down in general, but that's okay. We're not talking price action. We're talking about how do I buy a JPEG. All right. So I already have some Ethereum preloaded. If you don't, Coinbase is good about being very intuitive. You can, just buy the Ethereum, using your credit or debit card, or if you have your bank info set up, wire it through. They are good at, if you have done like KYC, which is basically like proving your identity to Coinbase. They're good about providing the funds, your crypto funds, for trading or sending it elsewhere immediately. Why I'm not using Gemini, even though it's my preferred exchange personally, and I'm not sponsored to say that. Why I'm not using them today for this example is because there's often, from what I can tell, at least a 24-hour period before they make the funds available for you to send elsewhere. So just for ease of use, today we're using Coinbase. All right, so first thing, I'm going to open up MetaMask. Zagazao, that's the wallet I named it. I'm going to copy my Ethereum address because that's where I'm sending the Ethereum to, sending it here to MetaMask. Close out of MetaMask, open back Coinbase. Here's my Ethereum wallet. I'm going to click through to that or tap through or whatever. Boom, boom, boom. I am going to tap that little arrow to indicate I'm sending it elsewhere. And let's say I'm going to send $450 US worth. You can also make it so that it's denoted in Ethereum. But I'm just going to do it in US dollars for the moment. All right. I'm going to continue. Paste from clipboard. They already have it loaded because I tapped it. You know what I mean? Boom. Preview send. Going to do it like that. Coinbase is going to charge us nothing just to send it over, which is great. There is a slight network fee. Anytime you transact on Ethereum, there are gas fees. I'll talk a bit more about that in a moment. Send now. All right. So we have completed the send from Coinbase. And now if we look in the balance in our MetaMask, we see we've got that Ethereum we sent over, about $450. As you may already know, crypto is volatile. So sometimes the money will come over on the other end and you'll be like, oh, I have a little bit more money than I remember sending. And sometimes you'll get it and you'll be like, oh, I actually have a little bit less. These fluctuations are just a part of the game. So just a heads up on that. All right. So what we're going to do now is navigate to OpenSea. So if you look, you'll see that MetaMask actually has a browser built in. So we're going to open that up. I already have it loaded up. And what we're going to buy today are Pixel Fangs. All right. So Pixel Fangs are an auxiliary collection of a collection called Fang Gang. And it's one of my favorites. Again, this isn't sponsored or anything, although I am quite biased. I definitely have Fang Gang and I have Pixel Fang. So keep that in mind. This isn't financial advice by any means, but it's a relatively inexpensive NFT. The Pixel Fangs are, anyway. And I think they're dope. So, we'll just use it for this example. All right. So we're going to go to search. I'm going to type in Pixel Fang. Let's see if it comes up easily. All right, so we see it right here. Give that a second to go through. Maybe I'll switch to night mode just to make it cooler. Yeah, I dig that. Now, this is working. So I'm going to put on a filter. All right, so that's why I'm tapping this filter button down here. Buy now. It's only going to show the ones I can buy immediately. So it says I could buy this one, but that is not true. See, OpenSea, this is why you got competition from LooksRare. And you also have the Coinbase NFT marketplace coming soon. So this is why, man. People are like, all these little bugs. I mean, that's not the only reason. OpenSea often suffers significant downtime. So yeah, a lot of that happens. Since we can't get that very bottom one, I'm going to go for one that I personally like. And kind of going between this Viking joint and this one with the little colorful little head wrap situation. Let's try this colorful head wrap situation, you know what I mean? All right. Buy now. Review this information. All right, so technically this is an unreviewed collection. It doesn't have like the check mark, the verified check mark like you might see on other social media platforms. Why I do feel confident is because we basically got to this page through Fang Gang, which is verified. And so I'm comfortable saying, yes, I understand that OpenSea hasn't done verifying, yada, yada. We moving along. Boom. All right, so now it's just double checking the sale price. Checking this box, we're confirming checkout, and now's the moment of truth. How much they gonna tax us just for wanting to buy this, John? Let's see. Gas fee. Good Lord, that's a lot of money. So here's the thing with Ethereum. The wild thing with Ethereum is sometimes you pay as much or you might have to pay more. Sometimes multiples in gas versus the actual price of the NFT. I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm before it gets any damn higher, just for the sake of this example. But that's something you need to watch. If it looks exorbitantly high, then best thing to do is just check back later, unfortunately. But yes, our transaction was just completed. Whoop! You just purchased Pixel Fangster 2978. It has been confirmed on a blockchain. Boom, boom. I'm in the NFT game now, son. So if you give it a few, it might not even take that long, to be honest. It might actually already be. Nope. All right. So eventually the NFT will end up in the NFT portion of Mazagaza wallet. And as you see, our currency in the wallet has significantly decreased due to the cost of the NFT, which was $100 something, and then the gas fee, which was also $100 something. God damn. So on another video, perhaps, I will be going through purchasing a Solana NFT and why some people have migrated to purchasing NFTs on an alternate layer ones, what they call, alternate blockchains, is because the gas fees currently on Ethereum are insane. Now that's supposed to change with their upgrade to ETH2, but it's basically a upgrade across the network, which will significantly reduce the cost of these transaction fees, which, if you're not starting with a lot of capital, can be prohibitive to you actually, getting in the game. But yeah, I'll make another video at some point, talking about, how to trade Solana NFTs or how to procure them anyway. Much cheaper. Gas fees are basically non-existent. So it's great from that respect. But that being said, most of the action still is on Ethereum. They have most of the market share. it is what it is, at least for now, probably for the foreseeable future. So that's how you go. You look at OpenSea and you check out some NFTs. Let's just take a quick look, see at LooksRare. Why not? All right. And so this is the newest platform getting some traction. And the collections are growing day by day. They have rewards. They reward you in their Looks token, as well as wrapped Ethereum. You might have to Google it. It's basically Ethereum, but you might have to convert it back to the main chain. Yada yada. Rabbit hole gets a little deep. But the point is they reward you for using their platform, which is basically how the world is moving. So, and part of what's dope about this whole crypto thing. So I will pretty much leave it there. That's how you buy an NFT on OpenSea. And, going forward, we will discuss buying it on Solana. We could also talk a bit about what to look for in a collection and a lot more. But, for now, I'll leave it there. Thanks for checking out Trade Season once again. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, send it along to your homies. Use the Gemini referral link, por favor. Get your boy some extra Bitcoin, you know what I mean? Donate, whatever you want to do. And we'll check you out next time. Peace.